Hi, I'm Jen Cook, and welcome to Bahia Property Management. Now I want to share with you 3 tips that you need to think of when you're looking to hire a property management company in Wesley Chapel, Florida. Number 1, you want to know whether or not that company has a good reputation. So nowadays you can go onto Google and social media and YouTube, and there's plenty of ways to find out if a company has a good reputation or not. So do your research. Definitely see what you can find. You'll see good, you'll see bad, and you'll be able to get a pretty good indication of what kind of reputation the company has. So that's number 1. Number 2, you want to ask how much time or how many years do you have managing properties in Wesley Chapel? That's super important as well. You want to know that this company has tons of experience, has been able to weather many storms, is able to handle all the issues that come their way, because let's face it, property management is not an easy job. It's actually very complex and complicated, and you want to make sure that somebody that you're going to hire to manage your property knows what they're doing. Number 3, you want to make sure that this company in Wesley Chapel is also a member of the National Association of Residential Property Managers, NARPM. Now, NARPM sets the standard for property managers in the state of Florida, and it also sets the ethical standards. So if you're a member of NARPM, you follow the ethical standards. Not all companies are a member of NARPM. So definitely ask that question when you're looking to hire a company. Now let me tell you a little bit about Bahia Property Management. So first of all, we're in Wesley Chapel, Florida, and we have not just one person managing your property, we have a team of experts. So we have rent collections, we have accounting, we have leasing, we have evictions when they come our way. We have, a whole team working for you, not just one person. So you get more for your money that way too, when you think about it. On top of that, we have a 24/7 maintenance service, and that's included in your fees. And so basically when the tenant calls and they have a leaky toilet at 2 o'clock in the morning, guess who's gonna take that call? Bahia Property Management. And we're gonna be happy to handle that call. And we'll be happy to serve the tenant and fix the problem. And then on top of that, we offer a 120-day money back guarantee. So, maybe we're not the perfect match for you, but let us give it a shot. And we would love the opportunity to prove to you that we know what we're doing. We've weathered the storms. We know how to handle issues when they come our way, and we have an excellent reputation. So if you are looking to hire a property management company, give us a call, Bahia Property Management, at 813-966-9324. We look forward to serving you.